This sound is purely English. It is made by placing the tip of the tongue behind the upper front teeth. The sound has just one spelling: think, thank, thin, thumb, anthem, ortho, path. Voiced dental fricative. This sound is made the same way, but this time it is a condition where your glottis is put to play. It is voiced like then, father, those, they. Let's have a contrasting example. Then, think, this, thin, that, the, anthem, father, author, gather, path, bath. You will observe the voiced and voiceless sounds in those words. We have the voiceless alveolar plosive. Due to the buildup of air, the tongue suddenly gives way and the sound t is produced. Spelling variants include t as in 210 tremble extract, th thymus thyme theme, tt attack attention, attend attract matter better, d smashed slapped, kicked pushed, d. The different productions: d has t sound as in slapped, slapped, slapped. We have contrast t and d. Let's contrast with words now. Slapped, wanted, kicked, expected, missed, misled, ten, dan, to, do, letter, ladder, battle, paddle. These are all contrasting examples. I hope today's class has really been insightful. See you in our next class.